The cardiac cycle is the performance of the human heart from the beginning of one heartbeat to the beginning of the next. The duration of a cardiac cycle is 0.8 seconds or heart rate about 72 beats per minute. The cardiac cycle consists of two periods, systolic period and diastolic period. Cardiac cycle have two types of events, atricular event and a ventricular event. Atricular event consists of systole and diastole about 0.1 seconds and 0.7 seconds respectively, whereas ventricular events in cardiac cycle last for 0.8 seconds, which is divided among systole and diastole for 0.3 and 0.5 seconds respectively. There is a small relationship between the cardiac cycle duration and heart rate. For example, if heart rate increases to 200 beats per minute, then cardiac cycle duration is reduced from 0.8 seconds to 0.3 seconds. In this 0.3 second, systole is last for 0.1 second and diastole is last for 0.18 second with respect to ventricle. So, here diastole is more compromised than systole. So here we get a relationship between cardiac cycle, duration and heart rate. That is, cardiac cycle is inversely proportional to the heart rate. Then the cardiac cycle duration decreases, that causes diastolic compromisation and which leads to decreased ventricular filling. So here we get that when cardiac cycle duration is decreased, then ventricular filling is also compromised. With respect to ventricle, systole is last for 0.3 second and diastole lasts for 0.5 second. So in a particular cardiac cycle, systole which lasts for 0.3 second have 3 phases. In diastole which lasts for 0.5 second have 5 phases in a cardiac cycle. Now we are looking for the systolic phases. In systolic phase, first isovolumic contraction takes place. In this phase, volume in ventricle remains constant and pressure increases in ventricle, and mitral valve also closes. This phase, isovolumic contraction, ends with opening of aortic valve. When after a certain level of pressure, mitral valve is closed and aortic valve is opened. At this phase, isovolumic contraction is stopped and it leads to the next phase. Second phase, the rapid ejection phase, where 2/3 volume of ventricle is ejected. Hence, in rapid ejection phase, 2/3 of cardiac output is ejected in systolic phase. Then, the rapid ejection phase is followed by slow ejection phase, when remaining 1/3 volume of cardiac output is ejected. Now we are going to look for the diastolic phases. In this phase, first of all, aortic valve is closed and protodiastolic phase takes place, which is followed by isovolumic relaxation, in which volume in ventricle remains constant but pressure decreases. This is followed by rapid filling, in which blood from atria is enter into the ventricle, which is followed by slow filling. This slow filling phase is followed by active atrial contraction or diastasis, in which atria is actively contracted and all the blood from the atria is drained into the ventricle. The fast heart sounds seen during isovolumic contraction. Thus, this fast heart sound is caused by which causes? Generally, we know that in isovolumic contraction there is a closure of mitral valve. When the mitral valve closes during this isovolumic contraction phase, there is a love sound takes place, which is recognized as fast heart sound, which is followed by second heart sound, which is seen during protodiastole. We know in the protodiastolic phase there is closure of aortic and pulmonary valve. This causes a typical sound which is known as dub, which is recognized as second heart sound. There is another third heart sound, but this is generally not recognized easily. For this recording of third heart sound, there is a specialized device somewhere available, but it is seen during phase of rapid filling. Especially, it is recognized easily in children or during heavy exercises. Who is then? We now look for some common used terminology which are used clinically more. One is end systolic volume. End systolic volume name signifies the volume remaining ventricle after the end of systole. Means when systolic period is end, the volume remaining in the ventricle is known as end systolic volume. And end diastolic volume, its name also recognized, or its name also symbolize that the volume in ventricle remain at the end of diastole is known as end diastolic volume. We should remember the end diastolic volume is about 120 ml generally. Then the fourth heart sound, which is generally pathological and associated with some disorders. For example, restrictive cardiomyopathy or hypertension, which are associated with fourth heart sound. So, whenever you hear the word fourth heart sound, so you should confirm that it is a pathologic injury to heart or any associated disorder that is correlated with heart. Stroke volume. Stroke volume is the volume of blood that is ejected by heart per beat, which is equal to end diastolic volume minus end systolic volume. We know that normally end diastolic volume is 120 ml and end systolic volume is 50 ml. So, stroke volume is about 70 ml. From this, we can calculate it cardiac output per minute. In case of heart rate about 72 beats per minute, the cardiac output is approximately 5 liter per minute, which we can get from this stroke volume formula. Then ejection fraction. Ejection fraction is about the ratio between the stroke volume and end diastolic volume, which is normally 55 to 65%. From this equation, we can derive another equation for end systolic volume, which is equal to end diastolic volume into 1 minus ejection fraction.